I'm Elizabeth, and this is Your Planning Mentor. Today we have the unboxing from a Graceful Muse Paperie. This is the May kit. Lately the kits have been getting into the United States just fine, and it then, for me, sits in all the different post offices before it gets to me. So, and that has nothing to do with Graceful Muse. So I feel bad that it arrives so late because I know they try so hard to get here on time. So here's our vellum for May. Very pretty. And then we have this beautiful paper, and it's got gold foiling. We've got some lilies here, some roses in there, some architectural detail, a cafe, and a city street. And in the back is this, it could be watercolor or to look like marbling or ink stains. And then we've got these delicate little flowers, so pretty. Here is our sticker kit, and I've mentioned before, I write it in the description, but I buy all of these myself. I use my allowance to buy these, and I know that probably sounds funny because I'm an adult woman, but that's what I choose to call it, my allowance. But this says, you don't have to have it all figured out to take the next step. That is a very good saying. So I'm guessing this is New York City, and very pretty. Spring cherry blossoms. We have these beautiful girls and this Tiffany blue, and this kit is called Audrey, so I'm guessing this is Breakfast at Tiffany's inspired. Very pretty. And this is pet tape, different medium than the other stickers. Very nice. And then we have our calendar page. Again, this kit is called Audrey. And you can see the blues through it. Here are our illustrations. One, again with the gold foiling. We've got the teacup with the croissant and the sunglasses, layered ephemera, jewelry. And you've got the stoop of a brown stone from New York. Illustrations 2, city street, typewriter. Look at that beautiful gold foiling, old-fashioned telephone, dressing table. Very pretty. Here are our floral bouquets. Lots of foiling in there. Very pretty pink peeking through. Oh, look at these large illustrations. So pretty. New York City. All right, we have our large florals. These are good for edges. Edge of the page or edge of a column. Such lovely foiling. Our torn washi. Our days of the week, and this is really thick foiling this month. And then we have some birthday goals to do. It's our scripts. Here's our floral washi, and this is split, so there are 4 pieces on here, and this is not foiled. And last are date dots. Hello May, chapter 5, the more days of the week, and some numbered dots. So again, date dots, floral washi, scripts, torn washi, large florals, large illustrations, floral bouquets, illustrations 2, illustrations 1, calendar, and our girls on the pet tape, our cardboard. Again, you don't have to have it all figured out to take the next step. And this beautiful paper. Thank you so much for joining me today. I appreciate any time that you choose to spend watching my channel. I hope that you have a lovely, lovely day, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.